Hi, I'm Tony Mazzagatti. I'm the owner of Carl's Place here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Porsche has a personality that a lot of cars don't have.
My name is Gary Stanton. I work for 900 Series Motorsports. We're strictly Porsches. We don't work on anything else, and that's what we've done for 40 years here.
When I moved here, I actually met Tony at a Porsche function. My name is Brant Colley. I do anything from routine oil changes, brake jobs, to engine overhauls.
My name is Tiana Miller, and make sure that the guys get what they need. I was working on my 944, and then Tony actually came up to me and my dad and asked if I wanted to work here. Ramon is very businesslike.
Okay, how are you? Good, how's it running?
He likes to keep the customers happy and keep himself happy.
Come on, let's go! Hit this. Hi, man. Thank you. My name's Ramon Montez. I'm the general manager, parts, service writer, next to Tony, do everything, manager at Carl's Place. From my point of view, he makes my job easy. It's not just a business with these clients who are wonderful. It's a passion. They can see right through you if you're not doing the right thing.
Steering, they're quiet, comfortable. You can actually hear the stereo.
That's what I said. It's a fantastic daily driver.
I repair 356s one leg at a time.
Oh, okay, one leg at a time. Got it.
I've got 2 race cars, 3 street cars, and a Cayenne. Porsche.
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 Porsche is a 2-syllable word.
Personally, I have had about 35 Porsches since 1967.